Hello and welcome to this second tutorial video of SASHIMI segmentation. In this tutorial video I'm going to show how to outline an object and I'm going to show you some of the interactive tools for manipulating objects. So I want to outline the medial gastrocnemius muscle, which is the structure you can see here. So I'm going to click on the label table and I'm going to change the name of label 1 to medial gastrocnemius. And I'm going to add an object with that label. So after you've pressed Add Object or press the A button on the keyboard, you can start drawing a polygon outlining the edges of the structure you're interested in segmenting. So I'm going to do it a little bit quick and rough. To close the polygon, press the Enter button or double click on the first point. Now we see that an object has been added to the object table. So you can move points around simply by clicking on them and dragging them around. Or you can delete points by pressing the D button on the keyboard or going to Object, Delete Points, and selecting the points that you want to delete. To insert a point, double click on the line, and you can drag them again to the desired location. So there is the option to auto snap to edges. So I'm now going to set the maximum distance for snapping to 1.5 millimeters. I'm going to press the Q button on the keyboard or select Object, Snap to Edge. And I'm going to select all the points on the object for auto snapping. You can see now that all the points on the object follow the edges more closely. So there's two options in SASHIMI. One is to use polygon objects that simply connect the control points using straight lines. Alternatively, you can select the spline option and then it fits a cubic spline through the control points. To change the label of an object, go to the object table and select a different number from the list. So now I've changed the object to label 1, but I actually want to change it back to label. Sorry, I changed the label 2, I want to change it back to label 1. To remove an object, simply press the R button or go to Object, Remove, and click inside the object and it will be removed. To undo the change, press Ctrl Z or go to Object, Undo. In the next tutorial video I'm going to show how to track this object between slices.